question. You can check it out. The question is mini-max sum. Here it is asking directly in a given positive integers, only 5 elements. You have to find minimum and maximum values. That if you take this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, you must make the sum of all the elements. If you consider here the largest element is 9, if you ignore the remaining 4 element sum is 16, and here 3 plus 7 plus 5 plus 9, which is 24. So the answer will be over. These two numbers has to be printed side by side. Code. Yes, test case is passed. Even you can submit the code. All the given 14 test cases are passed. Even totally 18 videos, which is of 5 MCQs each video. Even I kept all those 90 questions as a single video, that is top 90 data structures MCQs. You can watch this one also, which is